Menu map feature. You can click and see 7 maps: the provinces, the states, Google placeholder maps, either separate or combined for the United States and Canada, plus also a map from the Canadian government. The map of the United States, you can go to a state and all of the tribes in that state will populate. You can scroll through them until you see the tribe. There are 8 ways to search for tribes, but this is one of them. You could select a given tribe. You could see their history, all of the supporting sites, Facebook, Twitter accounts, government accounts, BIA accounts, additional mapping features where they're located. If you click View Larger Map, you could select nearby and see all the restaurants, hotels, and also any gas stations, all 1,178 tribes. You can collapse the map legend and you can expand this map and pull it anywhere around to look at the tribes. You can select a tribe, go directly to their website. Native Ministry International, nativemi.org.